Unlocking Emotions, the art of pouring your heart out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about emotions and expression: pour one's heart out. Have you ever felt the need to share your deepest feelings with someone? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's unravel the meaning, usage, and the rich emotional tapestry behind this phrase. When someone decides to pour their heart out, they're choosing to share their most intimate emotions, thoughts, or secrets. Imagine your heart filled with all your feelings, and then you open a gate to let them all flow out freely to someone else. This phrase beautifully captures the act of expressing one's feelings fully and openly, without holding back. The phrase, pour one's heart out, is believed to have its roots in ancient times, symbolizing the act of pouring liquid, such as water or wine, from a vessel. This action metaphorically translates to releasing emotions from the heart as if they were a liquid being poured out. Though its exact origin is hard to pinpoint, the phrase has been a part of English language for centuries, evolving in meaning but always retaining its emotional depth. Pouring one's heart out can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more serious, heartfelt discussions. Here are a few examples to help you understand its use. After the movie, I found myself pouring my heart out to my friend about my own experiences. He poured his heart out in the letter, expressing feelings he'd never shared before. It's a phrase that signifies trust and emotional vulnerability, often used when someone feels safe enough to reveal their innermost thoughts and feelings. Opening up and expressing emotions is vital for mental health and building strong relationships. When someone pours their heart out, it's a sign of trust and a deep emotional connection. It's important to be a good listener, providing a safe and supportive space for the person sharing their feelings. This act can strengthen bonds and foster understanding and empathy between people. Understanding the phrase, pour one's heart out, enriches our appreciation for the depth of human emotions and the beauty of sharing them. Whether you're learning English as a new language or diving deeper into its nuances, remember that emotional expression is universal. We hope this video has helped illuminate this poignant phrase for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay tuned.